Day 5, back down here at the creek. New shopping cart. Don't know if it washed up or the homeless brought it. Doubt it washed up. It hasn't rained. The issue about the shopping carts is everything costs money to dump. And that's why illegal dumping is so bad. Nobody wants to pay. And of course, the city isn't going to do anything about it, so now it's on me, us, as a group. So what we need to do is have more subscribers, more followers. That's about 30 pounds. We'll do 30 subscribers to get it out. I have another shopping cart over here. We get Sissy subscribers. I'll get them both out. Just so expensive. And of course I do this on my free time. No help. But I do it for them. So please, like, subscribe, follow. We get this journey going.